everyone, right, today we're installing the side trims. I don't know what else to call them. Side trims. They're just made of fiberglass. I've just cleaned them up and they attach underneath your skirt, just under here, with self-tappers or tape. I prefer self-tappers, as you know they're not going to come out, and it just makes the car look finished off a bit better, a bit flatter to the ground. So that's the idea. I'm now going to do a time lapse so you can see how I go and what the car looks like after. So yeah, bear with us and see how we go. Ciao. Right, I've got it installed. Took about 5 screws, I believe. It's really hard to get a good picture of it. You get the idea. But yeah, 5 screws. Try and get a picture of underneath. One there right up front. I decided to put 2 near where the passenger or the driver gets in, just in case they catch it. So 2 there. Another one. Another one, another one. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 screws all in all, and that's holding it on very, very firmly. That isn't going anywhere. So let's just lower this down now. Let's see what it looks like. So that's it. That's how it sits. Nice and low. I think that looks pretty decent. It's just the fine details, you know. I think that looks good. Just finishes off the car on the side look with all the black accents. So, doesn't give any performance upgrade or anything. Just finish it off nicely. Cool. So hopefully that's been helpful for you. And it literally took me, say, 20 minutes, say half an hour. Took half an hour to do. So yeah, very good, decent upgrade. Cheers everybody, see you soon.